As the pace of application modernization continues to accelerate, so do platforms like Kubernetes for deploying, scaling, and managing containerized applications. And just like their traditional predecessors, cloud-native applications demand data resilience from day zero to protect against data loss and outage events like failure, deletion, and ransomware. Trusted by the world's largest organizations, Veeam Kasten delivers secure, enterprise-ready protection that's native to Kubernetes, ensuring you're resilient against whatever's thrown your way. Kasten keeps your business running with automated backup, restore, and DR of your entire application, including data both inside and outside the cluster. Compliant with multiple regulations, and integration ready with your existing workflows and solutions like GitOps, SIEM, and cloud security, Kasten ensures you're ready for any security event. Better yet, application mobility and transformation across the most complete set of distributions and platforms guarantee your apps are easily portable on-premises and in the cloud. Give your operations and application teams the power to withstand the unexpected, while delivering services faster and more confidently. Get started with Veeam Kasten for free today, and say goodbye to complex scripting, unsupported tools, and legacy solutions.